Hi and welcome to Quick Easy Veg and welcome to Instant Pot Saturdays. In case you're not familiar with the Instant Pot, it's an all-in-one device that does a slow cooker, pressure cooker, steamer, yogurt maker, rice cooker, all in one. For vegetarians, vegans, and vegetable lovers, it's an indispensable device. One of the things I really love making in it is Steel Cut Oats. I don't have to watch it, I can set it, forget it, and come back when it's ready. Start off with 1 cup of Steel Cut Oats. Now these are not the quick cook Steel Cut Oats. These are the regular Steel Cut Oats. Add 1 cup to your Instant Pot. And then we're going to add 3 cups of water. At this point, if the oats aren't covered, give them a quick stir with a spoon and make sure they're completely covered by the water. And now we're ready to start cooking the oats. First thing we're going to do is turn on the pressure cook element. Press the pressure cook button. If it's not set to high pressure, press the pressure level button until the high pressure is lit. You can adjust the time by pressing the plus and minus buttons. We're looking for 3 minutes. Let's put the lid on. When it seals into place, you'll know. At this point, we just wait a moment. And the Instant Pot turns itself on. At this point, it will build up pressure inside the system. This takes usually about 5 minutes. One of the things you want to check before it gets started is to make sure that the valve is closed to the sealed position. And right beside it, you'll notice that that's where the float valve is. This is what pops up when the unit reaches pressure, and it's also what locks it in place. Alright, it's been about 5 minutes and the unit has come up to pressure and the timer is starting to count down. You can tell that the unit is up to pressure because the float valve has popped up. You can also see a tiny bit of steam coming out through the valve. What we're going to do is we're going to let the cook cycle complete for the 3 minutes, and then we're going to allow the unit to depressurize naturally. In other words, we're not going to open the valve and release all the pressure at once. It's been about 3 minutes and you'll notice that the timer has reached 0. Since the keep warm option is turned on, you're going to notice that the timer will start counting up from the time that it stopped cooking. You'll also notice that the tab is up, meaning that the unit is still under pressure. At this point, we're just going to let it sit and it will naturally release and reduce the pressure, and that probably takes anywhere from 15 to 19 minutes or so. Alright, it's been about 19 minutes since it stopped cooking and the pressure has been released. You'll notice that the tab is down, and also if you open up the steam valve, nothing comes out. Let's open it up. At this point, you can put the lid back on and leave it on the keep warm setting and eat it whenever you're ready, or you can give them a quick stir and serve it right away. Recommended serving for Steel Cut Oats is 1/4 cup, and since this is 1 cup, what I like to do is just divide it right at the bottom of the Instant Pot so I know exactly how much of a serving I'm putting out. I love fruit in my oatmeal, and what I do is I buy frozen fruit by the bag. You can usually find it at Target, Costco, places like that. You can add the fruit into the oatmeal while it's still hot and it'll thaw it out, or what I usually do is I take a bowl, put it in the microwave, and I put it in for about 2 or 3 minutes on very low setting, and this thaws it out, but it doesn't cook it. And when you're ready, serve the oatmeal out of the Instant Pot, still nice and hot. One of the things you can do is add ground flax seeds and ground chia seeds to your oatmeal. This adds a lot of minerals, it also adds some omega-3s, and it adds a lot of fiber into your diet. What I do is I mix ground chia seeds and ground flax seeds together, and I add in about 2 tablespoons. Mix it all together and you've got yourself a hot, delicious, nutritious breakfast. Like I said before, one of the things I like about the Instant Pot is that you can set it up, let it go, and you don't have to worry about it. You can come back in an hour and it's still just as ready. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'd love to hear from you about how you cook oats in the Instant Pot, or what you add into them, or how you do it. I'd really appreciate it if you'd subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up for this video or any of the videos you like, and we'll see you again soon.